Hi everyone! Check out the Qimamo 18-inch full-size bed with a built-in LED night light that turns on automatically in the dark for safe, gentle illumination. This metal platform bed is heavy-duty and noise-free thanks to 11 stable slats and 9 thick legs that provide excellent support and prevent wobbling. Its modern minimalist black design fits any bedroom style while offering ample under-bed storage for boxes or luggage. You won't need a box spring because this frame securely holds memory foam, latex, or spring mattresses to extend their lifespan. Assembly is quick and easy, with all tools and instructions included for one person to finish in under 30 minutes. Plus, the bed's thoughtful engineering ensures a quiet, sturdy, and comfortable sleep every night. Enjoy a stylish and practical upgrade to your bedroom with this sleek, functional bed frame. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.